Those onion peels you toss? They're your natural cough medicine. Quick recipe. Collect and clean outer peels. Boil water and add the peels. Steep air 10 minutes. Add raw honey. Why it works. Contains quercetin. Fights inflammation in irritated airways. Natural compounds calm, cough reflexes, and soothe throat. Research shows it reduces both dry and wet coughs. Raw honey creates a protective coating for instant relief. Grandmother's wisdom. This remedy works wonders for persistent dry coughs, nighttime coughing, sore throat relief, respiratory comfort. Pro tips: drink warm before bed. Make fresh daily. Safe for both adults and kids. Nature's best medicine is often free.